Have you ever heard of the successful woodworking business, Timber Treasures? Well, their story began just like yours might. Timber Treasures, a name that now resonates with quality, craftsmanship, and a deep-rooted love for woodworking. But let me tell you, it wasn't always the case. Their journey started in the cozy confines of a small garage, with nothing more than a few essential tools and a burning passion for woodworking. The beginning was humble, but the vision was grand. Their struggles were real and many. Learning the ropes of the trade, understanding the market dynamics, sourcing quality materials, pricing their products right, everything was a steep learning curve. But the founders, Jack and Jill, were relentless. They learned from their mistakes, adapted, and kept moving forward. Over time, they developed a unique niche for themselves: handcrafted, eco-friendly wooden furniture. It was a simple idea, but one that resonated with their values and appealed to a growing market of conscious consumers. Their unique selling proposition became their strength. However, the road to success was far from smooth. They faced challenges in marketing their products, creating an online presence, and reaching their target customers. But they didn't let these hurdles deter them. Instead, they took it as an opportunity to learn and grow. They worked tirelessly on their social media strategy, attended local events and markets, and slowly but surely, their efforts started bearing fruit. One of the key aspects that set Timber Treasures apart was their commitment to sustainable practices. They ensured to source their materials responsibly, minimize waste, and promote the use of reclaimed wood. This not only made their business eco-friendly, but also added a unique charm to their products. As their business grew, so did their product range. They started creating seasonal, fall-themed pieces, which became a hit among their customers. Custom furniture pieces, home decor, holiday gifts, their creativity knew no bounds. Through all the ups and downs, Jack and Jill held on to their dream. They turned their passion for woodworking into a successful business, all while staying true to their values and commitment to sustainability. Now, if Timber Treasures could turn their passion into a profitable business, so can you. Let's delve into the process. Before you can start creating, you need to equip yourself with the right tools. Embarking on a woodworking journey demands a blend of basic and advanced tools. The basics include a table saw for cutting large pieces of wood, a bandsaw for making intricate cuts, a drill press for precise holes, and a workbench to anchor your creativity. But don't forget about the advanced tools. A wood lathe for turning wood into symmetrical shapes, a jointer to flatten your wood, and a planer to ensure uniform thickness are all pivotal in taking your woodworking to the next level. Remember, quality should never be compromised. Invest in tools that are durable and reliable. Safety should also be a priority, so don't skimp on essentials like safety glasses and ear protection. With a well-equipped workshop, you're all set to start creating. But what exactly will you create? In the world of woodworking, finding your unique niche can make all the difference. It's not just about being a jack of all trades, but rather a master of one. Specializing in a specific area, whether it's crafting intricate furniture pieces, designing bespoke wooden toys, or even creating eco-friendly products, can set your woodworking business apart. Take, for instance, the success stories of businesses like Green Timber, that focuses on making furniture from reclaimed wood, or Wooden Wonders, renowned for their custom-made wooden toys. Both these businesses have carved out their own distinctive niches, and their success is a testament to the power of specialization. So, when starting your own woodworking venture, consider what you're truly passionate about. What type of woodworking brings you joy? What can you create that's unique to you? These questions will guide you towards finding your niche. With your niche in mind, it's time to get the word out about your business. A great product is only half the battle. You also need to market your business effectively. Let's get down to brass tacks. In today's digital age, online marketing is key. Start by creating a professional website showcasing your unique woodworking creations. This is your virtual storefront, so make it inviting. Include high-quality images of your products, a little about your story, and consider setting up an online shop for direct sales. But a website alone won't cut it. You also need to harness the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual industries like woodworking. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and don't be afraid to show some behind-the-scenes action. Remember, people love a good story, and your unique woodworking journey is a story worth telling. While online marketing is crucial, don't overlook the importance of local events. Craft fairs, farmers markets, and local exhibitions are perfect venues to showcase your work. Not only do these events help you reach potential customers, but they also provide invaluable networking opportunities. You might meet a local business owner looking for unique furnishings or a contractor in need of custom woodwork. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about word-of-mouth marketing. This old-fashioned form of promotion is still one of the most effective. Encourage your customers to leave reviews online and share their purchases on social media. A satisfied customer can be your best advertisement. Lastly, consider partnering with local businesses. This could be as simple as displaying your work in a local cafe or collaborating on a project with another craftsman. These partnerships can introduce your work to a wider audience and help build your reputation within the community. Marketing will get people talking about your business, but what will make them remember it is your commitment to sustainable practices. So let's dive into how you can incorporate sustainability into your woodworking business in our next segment. In a world increasingly concerned with sustainability, being eco-friendly can set you apart. When it comes to woodworking, sustainability can be woven into the very fabric of your business. From the materials you choose to the waste you produce, every decision impacts the environment and your reputation. Consider using reclaimed wood, an eco-friendly option that brings unique character to your pieces. It's not just about the wood, though. Think about the glue, finish, and other materials you use. Are they eco-friendly? Can they be replaced with greener alternatives? Minimizing waste is another key aspect of sustainable woodworking. Use every scrap and turn your waste into another man's treasure. Create smaller items from offcuts or use sawdust for composting. Source your materials responsibly. Look for suppliers who share your commitment to the environment. Sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business too. And speaking of business, let's talk about some seasonal project ideas. The fall season offers unique opportunities for your woodworking business. The vibrant colors and crisp temperatures of autumn can serve as inspiration for a range of projects that not only showcase your skills but also have the potential to boost your sales during this season. Think of crafting custom furniture pieces, like a rustic dining table or a cozy rocking chair, that families can gather around for a warm meal or a heartwarming chat. As the leaves change color, so does the home decor. You can create beautiful wooden centerpieces, candle holders, or even picture frames with a fall theme. And let's not forget the upcoming holidays. Handcrafted wooden ornaments, personalized gift boxes, or unique nativity sets could be a hit among your customers. But let's address the elephant in the room. Starting a woodworking business isn't a walk in the park. There will be challenges along the way. Time management can be one of the most daunting hurdles. Between crafting your projects, sourcing materials, marketing your products, and running the business, it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. The solution? Prioritize and delegate. Focus on what you do best and consider outsourcing or automating other tasks. For instance, if you excel at woodworking but struggle with social media, consider hiring a freelancer to manage your online presence. Sourcing materials can also be a challenge, especially if you're committed to sustainable practices. The key here is to establish relationships with local suppliers or salvage yards. They can often provide you with reclaimed wood or eco-friendly materials at a reasonable price. Finally, pricing your products competitively while ensuring profitability can be tricky. It's crucial to understand your costs, including materials, labor, and overheads, and to research what similar items are selling for in the market. With these solutions, you're well prepared to handle any challenges that come your way. Starting a woodworking business might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way. Remember, the key to success lies in being prepared, having the right tools, finding your unique niche, and marketing your business effectively. And let's not forget about embracing sustainable practices. Not only does it help the environment, but it also sets you apart in this competitive industry. Fall presents a golden opportunity to kickstart your business with seasonal projects. Think custom furniture pieces, thematic decor, or even holiday gifts. And yes, challenges will come, but with the right mindset, they're just stepping stones on your path to success. So let's recap. Equip yourself with the right tools, carve out your niche, market wisely, and be sustainable. And most importantly, start now. So what are you waiting for? Start your woodworking journey today and remember, every master was once a beginner.